Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to turn on and off notifications on YouTube. Now let's say I want to turn on notification on YouTube. So first of all, I have to download the app from the Google Play Store since I use an Android phone. So I've downloaded the app already right now, and now I've opened the app. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on home at the bottom here. We have home, shorts, subscription, you click on home. And then I'm going to click on notification bell at the top here. You see notification bell here, click on it, and then I'm going to turn on notifications. So I click on turn on notifications. So then it takes me here. So I'm going to click on show notifications. So we have allow sound and vibration deliver quietly in that notification. So I can further go to in the notification settings and choose which ones I want to be notified. So I can check now and then choose the one I want to. And that's it. That is how to turn on notifications on YouTube. Now if you want to turn it off, go to settings up here, go down to notifications, then you see it here, you turn off the ones you want to turn off. This is where you disable sound and vibration. And that's where the notifications, you will not get any notifications from there. I can turn off the rest too. And that's it. That is how to turn on and off notifications on YouTube.